It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Silverado. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock buttons, door storage with a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the integrated trailer brake controller, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, manually adjusted steering wheel, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have the audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through that dash by using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have the programmable garage door opener, some interior light buttons, a place to store your sunglasses, OnStar in the rear view mirror. Next is Chevrolet's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and on top of the center console we have the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Silverado we have black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 6-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. As we make our way to the back, we have the rear window slider, 4x4. This truck comes with remote start and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has Chevrolet's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're able to drop that tailgate down with ease. The box of the truck has cargo hooks and a spray-in box liner. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. On the backs of both front seats, we've got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has some storage compartments and a power plug-in, rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise these rear seats up with ease if we're in need of some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.